Alright guys, I just wanted to do a little video to show you how to access all of the resources in each course. So whenever Cameron logs in each day and goes to his daily plan, you'll see the list of Class Connect sessions, and then you'll also see the list of courses. So within each list of courses, there is going to be a set of materials. So when you open the lesson, there are materials. There's the student guide, the learning coach guide, and then any other materials that you might need. So to begin the lesson, you'll click student guide. This will be what Cameron is using to guide his activities. So all of those things need to be completed before he clicks this next arrow to go over. Also, the Learning Coach Guide has everything that his learning coach or adult at home will need to do with him to help him get ready. So there are a few pages there as well. You can either just review this online or you can print it. Whatever you're more comfortable with is absolutely fine. And then right here under the materials, you'll see that there is one more. That just brings up a worksheet that Cameron will need to complete after he's finished reading. So the directions for that is also located in that student guide and learning coach guide. So over here, it kind of just gives you the breakdown. So you gather the materials listed, follow the instructions in the materials. So those are your learning coach guide and your student guide. And after completing all activities, go to the next screen. So use that arrow to go to the next screen and you'll mark it complete. So it's really important that you don't mark that complete until you've completed all of those activities. One other thing I wanted to show you is this. When you open the lesson, down on the bottom of the screen, there's a little tab that says Lesson Resources. If ever you're not quite sure what you need, you can also find the resources in that tab. You just click on Lesson Resources and then on Materials, and it'll bring all those resources up for you that way as well. And that's going to be the same in all of the classes. So I'll go ahead and just bring up another one here to show you. So for spelling, same thing. There are materials here that you need to open up to complete. And there's also the learning coach guide here with directions for the learning coach to help Cameron work through the lesson. Once everything is completed from these materials and the learning coach guide, again, you just click the next arrow and you'll be able to mark the lesson complete.